What do you think of LG versus Sharp air conditioners?
Both companies make decent TVs, though LG's smart TVs are among the best based on Consumer Reports.
I know their TVs are cool. What do you think of their ACs?
Neither one's ACs are too hot. Or, rather, they'll leave you too hot to handle.
I know LG is one of the more affordable brands.
Sometimes you get what you pay for. The LG air conditioners are noisy, have poor insulation to control the noise or keep the cool air inside the house, and they tend to leak.
You just said they leaked outdoor air in, or indoor air out.
They leak water too, from the compressor.
That's not cool. I could end up with mold inside the air conditioner.
They break down often, regularly failing to make it through a hard summer. And then there's customer service.
You say customer service as if they were an oxymoron.
LG has told people that the unit was not good and should not have been sold, so it is not covered under warranty. In other cases, a certified repair people do not keep appointments.
I get mad enough if the cable guy is late. An AC repair guy that doesn't come in while I'm going through bags of ice and fans will leave my blood boiling.
Sharp air conditioners, in contrast, aren't as bad.
It sounds like it would be hard to be worse than LG.
Sharp averages around 2.5 stars, with as many single-star ratings as 5-star ratings.
What is wrong with Sharp ACs?
They are so loud that you can't stay in the room it is cooling unless you wear earmuffs. They can cool a large room but aren't too efficient, so they'll run all the time.
What about the overall design?
Their ACs leak water about as much as LG ACs.
At least the Sharp will cool off the room.